Hi, my name's Maria Clausen and I teach at New Design High School on the Lower East Side, Manhattan, and this is my Flubaroo or coding wish. So here I am, I have a form and I have a whole bunch of form submissions and I'm using Flubaroo right here to grade my assignment. So I have my grades and I have a beautiful spreadsheet of all of my grades. Flubaroo allows me to see all of my low scoring questions, and I thought I would take it one step further. I've done this for several tests, and I'm wondering if someone might uh, want to code this. So what I've done here is created a little heat map, and as you know, each of these rows is a student, represents a student, and the heat map is going to represent the different topics that this test covers and how well the student did on the specific questions in the test that had to do with each topic. And so in order to get to this place, I'm just going to show you what I did. It's not that hard. It is repeatable, so I'm pretty sure it can be coded. And to me, I think it's really valuable. It's a whole lot more helpful than looking at specific questions because it gives me a general idea of topics and which topics I need to cover again. Okay, so here's what I do. The first thing I do is I just take all the questions and list them, and I align them to a topic. So in this case, there are seven different topics and or units, little units, and each question is assigned a topic. The next thing I do is I find what column in the grades sheet that question number is in. So for instance, question number 1 is in column M. So here it is. Question 1 is in column M. And then it's pretty simple because it's just going to keep going, right? A, B, C, D. So then I have my columns. The next thing I'm going to do is I like this just sort of as a standalone sheet. I make a copy of this sheet and I'm going to sort it. And I'm going to sort it by topic. So now you can see I found all of my cell respiration questions. They are questions 5, 11, 16, 33, 35, and 37. Once I do that, and I have the column, so because I put that over here, right? You were kind of wondering, why do I have to have the columns? But I need the column because I need to create a formula. So now I have the column and I can create a really simple formula. So I'm going to start with row 13 because that's my first student submission. And I'm going to just create a really simple formula. So I'm going to add the data that's in Q13 plus W13 plus AB13 plus AS13 plus AY13. So that represents all of the answers to student number 13 to the student number 13's responses. And I'm going to divide by 6 because there are 6 questions. And that grade is going to be here I am at student number 13, and there it is. So there's my formula divided by 6, and there I am. So I'll take you through another one just so you can kind of really understand what I'm doing here. So the next topic is DNA, and I have 4 questions on my test that are DNA. They are questions 8, 9, 13, and 26. Question number 8 is in column T. Let's see if I did this right. Question number 8 is in column T, and I am going to just come up with a little formula that says T13, because I'm going to start with student number 13 in row 13, U13, because that's the U, Y, because it's in column Y, Y13, and then AL13. There are 4 questions, so I'm going to divide by 4, and that is going to go right over here. I'm going to copy and paste that formula over here in DNA, and there's my formula. The next thing I do once I have all my formulas and I drag them down is I format the cells. So this number is formatted as a percent, and then after all the numbers are formatted, which is pretty easy, Then I conditionally format my cells, and I'm going to go to the conditional formatting and show you what I use for conditional formatting. So anything that is over 60% I put in green, anything that is between 50 and 60 I put in as yellow, and then anything that is less than 50 or 49% I put in as red. So that is how I create the heat map, and it is kind of labor intensive, and I think it can be coded, and I think it would be super, super valuable if somebody has the expertise to do this, and the time and the energy and the willingness. So if you want to contact me, I am at Maria Clausen. Nope, you can just call me Maria at newdesignhigh.com. Again, it's Maria at newdesignhigh.com. Thanks. Bye.